Today we'll be making cinnamon sugar pan-fried apples. To start, you'll need a knife, a pan, a wooden spoon, a peeler, a quarter cup, and measuring spoons. For ingredients, you'll need 2 apples, butter, cinnamon, salt, and sugar. First, wash your hands and your apples. Now hold the apple so that your thumb is on one side of the apple and the rest of your fingers are on the other. Rotate the apple and peel away from your hand. The peeler should always be pointing up to the ceiling and not tilted. If you get a little peel caught in the peeler, just pull it out and keep peeling. You may also want to pull off some of the peels that get stuck to your apple. Now trim a little from the top and from the bottom. If you have a little left over, that's fine. Most of it will get cut off. Now do the same for your second apple. Again, make sure that you're rotating the apple and you're peeling away from your other hand. Trim the top. And that's it. Now get rid of all those peels. You can throw them away or put them in the compost. You don't want a sneaky peel ending up in your apples. Make sure you've identified where the core is and cut around the core in 4 even slices. Put the core aside and very carefully with a claw, slice those apples into thin slices. If you have a little peel on those slices, that is okay. Do the same for the second apple. Some people like to eat the apple cores when you're done with them. When you finish slicing your apples, you can just leave them right on your cutting board to put in your pan later. Now put your pan on the stove and turn the burner to medium heat. Scoop out a quarter cup of butter, or if you're using a stick of butter, that's 4 tablespoons. There should be tick marks on the side of the stick. Let that butter melt just a little bit. And now add a quarter cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. You should also add a little pinch of salt. Salt actually makes sweet foods taste so much better. Stir up your cinnamon sugar mixture. As the butter and sugar heat up, the sugar will start to dissolve. Once the sugar has dissolved, add your apples and stir some more. It'll take about 10 minutes for your apples to fully cook. The butter-sugar mixture will become a little bit stringy and thick, and the apples will be just starting to break down. Turn off the burner and take your apples off the heat. You can eat them plain, over oatmeal or ice cream, or however you like. Enjoy! Don't forget to clean up.